Alright, check it out. Scientists reveal exercises that will make you live longer. Like, yeah. Our body and all its complexity is a treasure that we must take special care of our whole lives. You only get one chance after all, as far as we know. The better you take care of your health, the happier, more comfortable, and longer a life you can lead. That's why Brightside is inviting you to test your body's age, and we'll suggest a few exercises to improve the condition of your health and reverse the hands of time or an unhealthy lifestyle. Also, be sure to stay till the end of the video for a real eye-opening bonus exercise. The first thing we have to do is test your body's age. We're not talking about how many years you've been on this earth. We mean the physical capabilities that your body possesses. So, if you're actually 21 years old, but this test reveals to you that your body is more like 38, there are no paradoxes or holes in the universe here. It just means you have some things to work on health-wise. We're going to do the short version of this test, but if you want the extended version, check out this video to find out what your weak spots are and how exactly you can work on them. You're going to need to start the test by standing up. Go on, don't be shy. Stand up. Yeah, you, stand up. Bend over and try to reach the floor with your hands. Don't forget to keep your legs and back straight, no cheating. Only bend your body at the hips. Remember the exact point that your hands can reach. And now you can stand straight again. There you go. Done! Now, let's see your results. If you can easily touch your palms to the floor while keeping your legs straight, you should be proud of yourself. Your body is around 20 to 25 years old. Your muscles are pretty much relaxed, and your body is definitely in shape. You're obviously doing a great job, so keep it up. If you can touch the floor with your fingertips, but notice that you bend your knees slightly, your body is approximately 25 to 38 years old. That's not too bad because this exercise doesn't bring you much discomfort overall, which is a good sign. So, no worries, you're still on the safe side. If during this exercise your fingertips touch the top of your feet, your knees are bent, and your muscles are tensed up, your body is probably 38 to 50 years old. If you feel like you want to stand up straight again as soon as possible, it means your flexibility could use some work. And finally, if you can't touch your feet and attempting to bend your body just makes you bend your knees more than anything, your body is over 50 years old. The fact that you feel uncomfortable in this position shows that your flexibility needs some serious improvement. But don't worry, we know exactly how to get from here all the way up to the flexibility of a 20 to 25-year-old, so keep watching. The best news is that you can improve your flexibility at any age, so don't get bent out of shape. Get it? If you work hard enough, you can change your current situation. The easiest thing you can do is bend over and try to touch the floor 30 times a day. Trust us, you'll start seeing some impressive results after only a month. Tibetan sages say that the body age of a person depends on the condition of his liver, which is connected with flexibility. Everyone knows that a sedentary lifestyle negatively impacts both the muscles and organs. By bending at least 30 times a day, you'll strengthen your ligaments and tendons and improve your flexibility as a result. Yoga stretches are also good for improving flexibility. I mean, yoga is pretty much the epitome of insane flexibility. Have you seen the contortions these people put themselves into? Amazing! Pretzels! Get your pretzels here! You could practice mastering the downward dog pose. No, not that dog. The initial position for this stretch is an upside-down V shape with your hands and feet on the ground. After you've gotten into position, try to extend your tailbone up and back. Don't forget to breathe correctly. Exhale while you're extending your tailbone and inhale when you come back down to the initial position. Another great yoga pose that can give you a good stretch is the child pose. If you're not familiar with it, here's how to do it. Start in a kneeling position, and then move your bottom toward your heels and rest your torso on your thighs. Is this how kids sleep? So uncomfortable. In this position, you can either reach your arms out in front of you or bring them down to your sides, whatever feels more comfortable for you. If you do this exercise regularly, it'll really increase your flexibility as well as stretch your shoulders and lower back. You can also try the butterfly pose to improve your flexibility. It's really simple. Just sit down, bend your knees, and bring the soles of your feet together, almost like you're going to sit crisscross applesauce, but without all the crissing and crossing. Hold on to your ankles and use your elbows to gently push your knees toward the floor. Don't rush it. It's not about how quick you do it. It's all about a good and proper stretch, which can only be achieved in baby steps. But, and let's underline but, a tush push is also a wonderful alternative to getting your flexibility back to the way it was in your younger years. To do it, you have to stand up while keeping your feet as wide apart as possible. So hold on to the back of a chair if need be. Then push your tush – now the name makes sense – to one side and then hold it in this position for about 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat the same thing while pushing to the other side. It's a great exercise, no buts about it. Have I beaten this joke to death? I think so. Now, here's your bonus! Not that many people know about this, but you can actually exercise your muscles not only from the outside, but from the inside as well. And this static gymnastics exercise is going to be a huge help for you in that. Static gymnastics help eliminate inner muscular spasms, and by doing just one simple exercise, you release tension and enrich your body with oxygen. Not to mention, it also works a lot of different muscles. One of the most important effects of this exercise is that it gives a sort of internal massage to your organs and improves your digestion. The best thing about it is that you don't need any fancy equipment or gym clothes to do it. You can do it anywhere you want. You can do it right now, in fact. So, let's try it. Inhale deeply and push out your stomach. Hold your breath and then exhale all the air out of your lungs while sucking your stomach in. Repeat 5 to 10 times a day. Don't forget to consult your doctor before beginning an exercise plan. It's always important to be sure that your system can handle it. Do you know any other ways to improve flexibility and lower your body's age? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. You can even try these exercises together. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more informative and fun videos. And always stay on the bright side.